Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn how to provide login credentials for employees to access the ESS portal. First, log into the main application using this link, where this link is also provided in the video description. Once you're logged in, go to the Attendance module. Then click on Employee, then select the employee you wish to assign credentials to. Click on Action button and edit employee details. We have login ID and password where you can fill the details. Enter the credentials for the employee and then click the Save button. Login details can be uploaded in bulk for multiple employees also. See how. Then go to Import from Excel option. Click Import Employee Login Details. Then click the Export button to download the data. Once opened, you will see fields such as employee code, employee name, location, login name, and login password. Fill in the login, name and login password for each employee based on their respective names. After updating the details, import the file back using the Import Employee Login Details option. Once the data is successfully imported, you will see that the login name and login password fields are populated as per the respective employee details. Next, go to the ESS portal using this link, where this link is also provided in the video description. Use the credentials you just created in the main application. Here is the credential format, where you need to use for login. Once you enter the credentials and click Login, the employee will successfully log in to the ESS portal. To learn how to log into the mobile app ESS, please watch the video using the link provided below in the description box.